Today we are looking at our tools page and we will dive into background replacement tool. Let's have a look at what it can do for us. Usually this kind of tool is used for e-commerce, online shops, to, for example, replace the background of an item for something more interesting. The first step is uploading the photo. I have prepared myself a kind of generic cardboard product photo that we will use. I am uploading this right now, and now we have a few options when it comes to the image dimensions. We can keep the original, we can make it square, portrait or landscape, and after that we can of course pick our preset for the background. We can use one of those already existing presets, but we can also create a completely custom one from scratch, writing text. But for now let's just use the existing one. I think the Glacier might be nice. Let's see how it goes. 1 or 2 seconds usually is enough for regular sized images to process. As you can see, it removed the background completely. It properly recognized the objects that are our products, that are the objects of interest, and generated backgrounds together with shadows, sun reflections and all the effects. It's important to remember that AI cannot really cover the object itself with any pixels, so it cannot really draw over the box, but it can draw behind it. So that's how this tool is used. And of course, once we see the picture, we can, as always, download it, compare to the original, and maybe share it with friends on social media. We can also reroll easily without going back to setup, just to see if the next generation will be even more interesting than the previous one.